Welcome to another episode of Quick Question with top producing Twin Cities Realtor Dave Oswald. Now, join Dave as he answers your questions about residential real estate.
You know, a lot of folks are beginning to buy rental property as an investment strategy, and I'm often asked, Dave, what are the tax benefits of owning rental property? Well, my first answer to that question is, I am not a tax professional, and you should seek professional tax advice. I'm not qualified to give it to you, but I will tell you that I understand as a real estate investor and an owner of rental property certain things about those tax benefits. Number one, the interest is deductible. So common examples of interest would be mortgage interest or payments on loans to improve rental property, even interest on credit cards used to pay for materials on your rent for repairs on your rental properties. So interest is a big deductible expense. Then, number two would be depreciation. That's a huge benefit. You get to depreciate your property based on what you paid for it, minus the cost of the land. Now, how do you determine the cost of the land and separate that from the house? Real easy. You go to your county tax website, look at your tax statement, and it'll tell you just as clear as day how the county values your land that the house sits on. So easily enough, you deduct that from the purchase price of the property, and there you have your basis for depreciation. Take that amount of money, divide it by 27 and a half years, and you've got your annual depreciation amount. Fabulous tax write-off. Then, of course, any repairs that you make would be the third kind of tax benefit. You get to deduct that from your income, thereby lowering your taxes, provided the repairs are ordinary and necessary and reasonable in their amount, and they're fully deductible in the year in which you incur those expenses. Good examples of those kind of repairs would be like repainting or replacing carpeting or fixing gutters or the floors or fixing leaks or any kind of thing like that. Those kind of repairs are deductible. Another tax benefit is you can lower your income on that property because of your insurance expense. You're going to have homeowners insurance. Even if you have a townhouse, you're still going to have an interior policy. Those kinds of things are tax deductible. Also, legal and professional services. If you set up a separate LLC for your rental property, as we have, then those expenses are again tax deductible in the year that we paid them. So there's also travel expenses, home office expenses. If you put your rental properties into the hands of a property management company, those fees are tax deductible. Any losses caused by casualty or theft are deductible. But again, seek the advice of a professional tax person. Whether it's a CPA or a real estate attorney, get that advice from them. These are just my ideas as a real estate investor. So, good luck with that. I advise you, put some money into real estate, diversify your portfolio. But that's the answer to the question, what are the tax benefits of owning rental property? Thanks again for joining us. I'll look forward to seeing you on another Quick Question.
Have a quick question about residential real estate? Email it to us at quickquestion@daveoswaldhomes.com.